So here we are in West Yellowstone at the #1 quick serve restaurant and probably the best brisket you've ever had, Firehole BBQ. It's after 9 o'clock. Everyone else is still trying to place their seating and lines around all the other stores, and Julie and the crew have completely sold out.
I'm the only one that cuts like this.
Well, that's because you've done this once or twice, right, Julie?
Everyone else cuts like they hold each bone.
No, I'd need like a big cleaver to do it with.
I know, right? Extra sauce on top.
Sure.
How much on that pork?
The best part.
One.
So if you're in West Yellowstone, this is your #1 tip. You gotta come here and get the brisket. Also, I'm gonna tell you, they got potatoes, baked potatoes. They're the size of my head. Yeah, and you can get them loaded, and then you can add brisket to the top of them, or the pulled pork, or the ribs, or the turkey. Yeah, they have 4 different meats here.
And a loaded baked potato.
That are indescribably good. And then to go along with it, they have their sides. And all I can say is if you leave here and you don't have macaroni and cheese, unless you're lactose intolerant, you are doing something wrong, because the macaroni and cheese is off the hook. All right, fellow adventurers, we'll see you on the next one. Remember, when you're in Yellowstone, West Yellowstone, come see Firehole BBQ and get the best barbecue you probably ever had.